Asher Magic Goddess. I'm back today with a new monthly box. It's called the Akibento. I recently found out about it, so I decided to kind of subscribe and see what it's all about. So there's hashtag Akibento on these sides, addresses on the bottom, of course, and then we're going to open it and see what we got. So just on the bat, we have a follow us for more anime news, giveaways, open snap, share, and social media. So, looks like we got a pretty interesting plethora of goodies in here. Start off with this plush, it looks like, Black Butler. I myself am not a big fan of this series, but it's an interesting push there. We have looks like a wristband for Full Metal Alchemist animation. We have a pin. Akibento, I guess this is the Revenge box. Akibento exclusive is a scissor necklace from Kill la Kill. There you go. It's interesting. It's a nice little box here. Jewelry box. So that was interesting. A t-shirt. Then we have a I guess that's Full Metal Alchemist. I think that's Naruto and Black Butler. So we have a shirt there. Inside the box, still we have Hello Panda. Looks like a snack, bite-sized packet. Chocolate filled cream cookie. And we got some little papers down here, or a print from Owari no Seraph. An artist bio. And of course a certificate of authenticity. That is pretty neat. Never had a print with a certificate before. And then the little card, of course, says Revenge. And the things that are in it. A shirt, the pin, 1 of 5 possible plushes. And I guess I got Seal. 1 of 4 possible wristbands. And that is an art print. So, interesting. I don't remember the price, but I think it might have still cost more than Anime Bento, which I think is still the best deal, or Loot Anime rather. It's probably the best deal still. But this is a larger size box. I don't have another box with me to compare it with. Here. Let's see. So standard DVD size case. Pretty much about a centimeter bigger. The front end here, and on the side it is, I would say, probably about an inch. And over here, I would say it's a good 3-4 inches. So it's a decent size. But yeah, Akibento, pretty interesting. Might try another month again. But yeah, if you guys want to subscribe to anything, or if you guys really like the stuff that you see here, we'll have links in the information tab so that you can subscribe and get your own Akibento. But overall, I wouldn't say I'm impressed, but I'm not slightly disappointed either. Shirt design is alright, I suppose. The necklace I thought was neat, at least in its presentation. The wristband is whatever. Plush is interesting. I'm not really a fan of snacks in my boxes. The pin is, I guess, just the regular pin. It's not really anything special. And I thought the print was really nice and that you got the certificate and everything with it. But overall, it's been alright. It's been Asher Magic, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all next time.